The unique southeastern extension of the island owes its name to the hiss of the wind blowing between the crevices. The diving zone is in the proximity of the summit. The morphology of the seabed is characterized by big, stony terraces which are completely covered by Parazoanthus, or the Parazoanthus axinale, going well down into the depth. The currents, even if only slight, are present during the entire year, provide good visibility, and transport food for the sea organisms and sea fish. During the summer period, the presence of large groups of barracuda is a common occurrence. Our exploration proceeds between the rock steps surrounded by damselfishes, or the Chromis chromis, and fairy basslettes, or the Anthias anthias. We can observe the presence of mussels and their shells, or the Pinna nobilis, once we reach the maximum depth at the border between the rocks, the sand, and the mud.